Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today another pulled pork recipe. It's a quick one, it's an easy one, but I'm going to show you how you can take some pulled pork and really make a whole heap of different dishes. And these are my pulled pork pot sticker dumplings. Alright, a little bit of effort on this one, and I'll give you a couple of cheats along the way if this is the first time you've been to the channel. First thing I'm doing, I'm going to make up some smoked pulled pork. That's going to take me between sort of 5 to 6 hours to do. If you don't want to go to that effort, or you don't have a smoker or barbecue like mine, you can go to your local supermarket and already get some pulled pork. Right, as you can see, beautiful fresh pulled pork. I've already made another couple of dishes with this, and I do have more pulled pork left over. A little bit of pulled pork goes a long way for only 2 people. So about 450 grams, 500 grams worth of pulled pork. I've just taken that out of the refrigerator. I'm adding in around about 4 to 5 scallions or spring onions, and I'm also going to add in around about 2 teaspoons worth of garlic paste and ginger paste. Right, I'm going to add in a little bit of soy, probably about a tablespoon's worth to start with, and I'm going to taste this as I go. Some white pepper, probably about half a teaspoon's worth, that can go straight in, and a good drizzle, a good teaspoon and a half's worth of sesame oil that can go in. Give all of that a good mixy mix, right, just like I'm doing right there. And what we're trying to do is just get the flavors all working together before we start making our filling. Now at the moment that filling is going to be too coarse and too chunky to try and make anything with. So I'm just going to add in a little bit of our mixture at a time into a food processor, right? Just a little bit at a time. We don't want to overload it, and we want to get a nice fine mixture to this. I'm just going to pulse that until it gets nice and fine, and you might find your pulled pork might be a little bit dry. I'm going to show you how to fix that. Should look something like that. So I'm going to go and do those in a couple of batches, right, until I've worked my way through, and by doing this we'll end up with a nice consistent type of mixture. There we go, we've done everything, we've got it mixed. It's a little bit dry and a little bit not quite right, so I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons worth of ketchup mayonnaise. That can go straight in, nice and sweet. And I want to bind this, so I'm going to put in 1 beaten egg as well. Once again, give all of that a good stir, just like that, and that egg's going to try and hold everything together for our beautiful pot sticker dumplings that we're going to be making. Alright, so just give all of that a good mix through, just like that, and it's pretty much ready to start getting on to the next step. So here I've got a packet of round dumpling wrappers, or galgi wrappers, and I'm just going to put a little bit of our mixture in the center. Now I'm going to make these little pot stickers into little 4-pointed stars. So we're just going to pinch one edge, and we're going to grab the other side, pinch and pull towards that front edge, and there you go. How easy is a dumpling is that to make? And they look really cool. They're going to impress your friends and your family when you serve these ones up. Right, I'm going to show you once more. Just bring one little bit up to a point, just like that, and we're going to, of course it's going to fall apart, we're going to just bring these through just like that, like a little star. Really simple, and a good thing to do too is wet the edge of your galgi wrapper. It'll just help stick. They do coat these with a really fine bit of flour, which works great as a little glue to hold these together. Alright, so I'm just going to go through off camera. I've done all of those. I've even made some 3-sided stars as well, so look like little Napoleon type hats. Alright, they're ready to go. Let's get on with the cooking process. We've got a fry pan here. I'm going to get a bit of heat happening into that. This is really easy and really, this is the best bit of the whole recipe. A little bit of oil in the bottom of the pan. Get that up to some heat. Right, and we're simply just going to start putting our little pot stickers straight down on top of the oil. Now, have your lid nearby. You really want to be careful when you're doing this particular step. Right, you can get caught out. I've been caught out before, and I've seen other chefs also get caught out. So we're just going to arrange our little pot stickers give them a little bit of space in between each other, and by having the little 4-pointed stars, they do seem to make their own little area of distance between each other. Give them a little bit of a slidey slide on the oil, and they're going to start burning away. I'm going to add in around about 1/3 of a cup's worth of water, put the lid on, and I'm going to let those steam off for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the water is basically evaporated. Okay, as you can see, that water has evaporated. These pot stickers, I've already seen the bottom of them, and they do look really cool. They've got a real nice colour to them. The pastry has gone a little bit opaque on top, and these are pretty much ready to go. I'm going to do these in a couple of batches. I'm going to show you the bottom of one of those. Look at that beautiful toasty bottom of our dumpling. Alright, so as I said, I'm going to do these in a couple of batches, and all we have to do is work out what sauces and what dressings we want to have with them. And so we'll work that out while this next batch is on. You're going to do the same, a little bit of oil, put the dumplings in, wait for them to start doing their thing, bit of water, and before you know it, you've got your own smoked pulled pork pot sticker dumplings. I'm going to serve that up with a nice little Vietnamese, couple of Vietnamese dipping sauces and a little bit of soy sauce. This recipe is just based on other cultures' dumplings, of course. I'd love to see you try and make these ones at home. They are easy to do, and they're really fun, and they'll impress the absolute bejesus out of your family. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. And please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get known as KP's Kingdom out there. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, you want to learn how to make a nice little Cantonese or Asian style entree just like this one, we need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. After I eat my smoked pulled pork pot sticker dumplings, which taste amazing, and I will catch you next time. Bye.